Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got some items from Ipsy. They had the Mega Drop Shop going on, and I actually got this. I bought this just a day or two before the drop shop started, and these items were in the Mega Drop Shop as well, but it came in a Boxycharm box. So they are doing what they can to get rid of those boxes. There's not much in there. I just got a couple things. Let's see what I got. I got some masks. What else is new? This was just a nice little set that was $5. One of my little $5 bags. They don't really have a lot of great $5 bags here lately, so I'm happy to get them when I can. This is a couple of things. It is Maskology, which, you know, Maskology used to have a website and they don't anymore, so I'm not sure if they've gone out of business or what has gone on, but this is the Wild Rose Hydrogel Gold Mask. This is a very nice mask. You can see it's a two-part. I really enjoy this mask. It's very, very nice. And this is, well, I'm not sure what the value of that is right there. Sit. The value of this $5 bag is $12, they said. Okay, Livy. Come on, Camille. And then also in here is this interesting, I've never had this before. This is also by Maskology. It is Vina Collagen Dual Action Powder. It's a wash-off mask. It is radiance boosting cleanser, helps refine lines and wrinkles, helps fine line and wrinkles, and travel friendly. So let me show you what this looks like inside. When you open this, there are 5 applications inside. So like I said, you can take this traveling with you. It is a powder. It's a mask and a cleanse. So you will, let me see if it tells us what to do. All right, yeah, open it up, of course. Pour the powder onto one hand, mix with 1 teaspoon of water and rub together until a thick consistency. Lather evenly onto your skin, avoiding the eye area, and leave on 1 to 2 minutes, and then rinse off. So that is perfect for traveling. And there are 5 in there. And I hate to just discover this now when it's hard to, they don't have a website anymore. So, but, if I see it on Ipsy, I'll try it and see if I like it. And if I like it, I'll be buying it again. And then I got another item for $5. This is, I know a lot of people don't like this company, but it is Bella Pierre. It's a good company. It's just that we get it in a lot of boxes, so people think that it's a cheaper company. And it is a nice company. This palette is valued at $25. Everybody has the browns. And then I started seeing people getting the purples, and I didn't get it. This is called Purple Storm. And I wanted to get it. It was $5. So it is a purple plastic. And Camille, are you just going to sit there the whole time? Lovey Dove. She is resting some. It's always hard for me to open things. Here we go. There's a mirror on one side, but these are the shades. They're all shimmers, and they're gorgeous. Let me swatch them. Camille, you all right? You look like you're falling asleep, my love. Okay. I don't think they have shade names, but we'll see. These are very nice. They're creamy. Let's see if they have shade names. Okay. Pearl, Freesia, Purple Rain, and Eggplant. So this is Pearl. You can hardly see that one. This one is Freesia. That's gorgeous. Camille, can I show everybody? This one is called Purple Rain. See, they're nice. They're nice. And then this one is Eggplant, I think it was. Yeah, Eggplant. So I love purples. Oh, see how nice they are? They went on smoothly and nicely. You can't see that white one, but they're very nice. So this is just a great little palette. I love shimmers. That's what I like to wear most, and works well for me. So I'm happy with that $5 purchase, $25 value. Camille, she's half asleep, y'all. She's half asleep. Camille, can I come over here, love? And then the last thing I got, I paid $10 for. It's a box by Clinique, and it has a few items in it. This is valued at $42, and it is called the All-Star Kit. And let's see what it says. It says that its suggested retail price is $12, but I paid $10. Ipsy had it for $10. And it has some samples in it, but it has a beautiful lippy in it. This is what attracted me to it. So we have, it's nicely wrapped in tissue in there. This is their high impact mascara, a nice travel mascara. There's some itty bitty things in there. Look how cute this is, y'all. I love that. What is it? It's blue on blue. It is acne solution, clinical acne solution. So I don't need that, but you know, I'll put that in a giveaway or something. Because y'all tell me that you have grandkids or children that can use that kind of thing. And sometimes, you know, I do get a pimple once in a while. I could just keep it and use it for that. I don't really know how to use it though without reading about it first. And then here's my cute little lippy. And this color is Plum Pop. So it's really pretty. You know, they made the picture look like it was a full size, but it isn't. But I love it. I love that color. Plum Pop. I love it. Yes, Camille, what you hear? Is there a bird outside? So a cute little lippy. And then this is in there also. Let me show it to you and then I'll read it. It's called Moisture Surge Auto Replenishing Hydrator 100H. So let's see what that, you know, their packaging is pretty with Clinique. When I first moved out of my parents' house, maybe even when I was still living at home and I was in college, I used to use Clinique all the time because I had sensitive skin. Sometimes I have sensitive skin. This looks very nice and hydrating. And that's a good sized container. So I am happy with my little purchases. I paid 20 bucks. So I paid, now I lost something. Oh, the mascara. I paid $10 for this little Clinique kit. And I paid, you'll right, Camille, I paid $5 for this. And I paid $5 for something else that the Bella Pierre. She, I don't know if I'd be listening to me at all. I'd just be watching her sleep, y'all. I understand if that's what you're doing. Isn't she beautiful? She just needs to be near me every second. She's like the boys. They like to be near me, but they can't because she's right near me. So anyway, thank y'all for stopping by and seeing what I got from the lovely Ipsy, which I adore Ipsy. Even though we all have trouble with Ipsy, I adore them still. So Camille, you gonna wake up? Y'all take care and count your blessings. I might just let this keep rolling if you want to watch her a little bit, but if you're ready to go, bye y'all and have a good day. Camille, you precious thing. Oh, she's got some medicine on her. Is that what's on you right there, love? You got a little medicine on you? She doesn't like getting her medicine. I can't blame her. Who likes getting medicine? Yeah. Yeah. Do you hear the voice? Yeah, pretty girl. Yeah, you should show them your pretty face. You gonna look? You like that lipstick? Don't get it on you. You'll be all pink around your face. Okay, here, look this way. Look this way so they can see you. Look this way. This way so they can see your beautiful face. All right, y'all, we're gonna say goodbye. Y'all take care. Count your blessings. Yeah, she's got medicine right. Well, we gotta clean you up. You're a mess. You're a mess, lovey.